There's a massive amount of construction activity that has started on the Dwarka Expressway. This is the area close to the Delhi border. So the main construction is starting from the Delhi border side going towards Manesar. So as you can see, this construction going all around, and more labor and machines are coming out here. The work is picking up pace as well. So you've got drains and everything being constructed on the side, roads being expanded. You have piling work going on for the central pillars. This piling work is going on at 4 different locations. This is sector 111. It's going on in 104, 102, and further ahead as well. 110 as well. As you can see, massive amounts of machinery and everything is being mobilized for this work. And on the other side, on the right hand side, also you can see the work that's already started. That's all concrete road that's being made. This is no longer a small project as it was envisioned 10 years back. It's a massive project now, and this has been done keeping in mind the traffic projection for the next 50 years. Have Delhi border out here. As per some of the officials that we have spoken to, we do not expect the connectivity to come to Delhi very soon. It will happen after some time. It's apparent that they do not want the traffic to come here, because if there's too much of traffic, they will not be able to complete this road quickly. So there's survey work going on for doing something about these small by roads which are there. As you can see out here, all the farmhouses, everything stands demolished. When the government wants, they will clear the rest of this, and that's not going to be as per when the people want, but it is going to be as per how the government, the NHAI, etc. has planned this project completion.